Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, this week we are focused on the core value of team and family and the Bulldog value of we are determined. We should see Bulldogs helping teammates, whether it's academically or culturally. That means helping teammates meet expectations or treating adults equally, because everyone here in this building, regardless of what they do, are here to ensure that you meet your goals and you are held to the highest expectations. And then let's make sure we're showing determinations by believing in yourself, saying that I can do this, not giving up at all. Because the only way to stay on the road to college and really hit our goals is to work really hard through the hard stuff, and not need our teachers to help us at every single point, because we can only learn from the mistakes that we make. Let's make sure we're keeping it 100. Let's do the right thing even when no one is watching. That is our big focus right now, because you guys do a great job meeting expectations when someone is with you at all times. But now it's about meeting expectations even when no one is watching. Again, Black History Month started yesterday, and today I would really like to feature Miss Condoleezza Rice and Martin Luther King Jr. Both Condoleezza Rice, who was a former U.S. Secretary of State, and Martin Luther King Jr., who is an incredible civil rights leader in our history. They both started college when they were just 15 years old. Yes, they both started college when they were 15 years old. And think of it, Miss Jane didn't start college until she was 18. And so they really worked extremely hard, showed a lot of determination, and they knew how important a college education was in order for them to make a difference for the African American community and for our society as a whole. Condoleezza Rice studied political science at the University of Denver in Colorado, and Martin Luther King Jr., he majored in sociology at Morehouse College in Atlanta, Georgia. Want to wish Luis Facio Garcia and Jakeith Reed a very happy birthday today. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Remember, we have only 8 more days until our challenge is over for 75% to goal, and that's to your Wordmaster goal. Remember, if you don't know how many words that is that you need, it's right up here on the screen, and you are tracking towards that every time you go to AR. And we have some exciting news. Yesterday, we had 5th grader Ricardo Garcia become a Wordmaster. Cannot wait to do the Pie Face Showdown with you today. Hotspot highlight, we have our first official 3rd grade math master, Maya Tackett. Congratulations. You will be able to participate in the Pie Face Showdown today. And 4th grade, you are still rocking it out every week, being in first place with our accuracy challenge. 5th grade was most improved this week. Who's going to be on the top next week, and who's going to be most improved next week? Kindergarten, remember, we are looking for 3 100% mastery awards for your college house, and once we get that, your college house will get to challenge Miss Jane. We are working really, really hard to stay fit at PE. Remember, our winners for January was 2nd grade and 4th grade. In February, you still have the rest of the week to be on the top for our weekly goal. Which grade is going to be the winner for our weekly goal? And we are really working towards hitting our 5,000 calorie burn. And one fun fact for you is that for every 2,000 calories burned, that is equivalent to 1 pound. IA3 is tomorrow for 5th grade math and 4th grade writing. We are so excited for our 4th graders and our 5th graders to show off everything that they have been learning on IA3. IA3 is the closest test you can get to that is going to be very similar to the STAR, and usually what you get on IA3 is a representation of what you can get on STAR. And so we really need to see that hard work and dedication. Remember, we have our bowling trip if you hit your goal in all subjects, and our ice cream sundae party if you grow at least 10% or more on each. A couple of quick announcements. We want to show pride in our building. No non-idea jackets in the cafeteria or class. We are trying to increase breakfast participation. The homeroom with 90% breakfast participation will earn fruit cups on Friday. We do have our Little Star Silly String Party tomorrow. Those of you who have earned the Little Star Party, please make sure that you bring a t-shirt that you can put on top of your uniform shirt that you wouldn't mind getting covered with silly string. So just make sure, we don't want to get your uniforms ruined, and so make sure you bring a t-shirt you can put on top of your uniform just during the party. Remember, if you think like a winner, you'll act like a winner. You will be a winner. Let's have a great Thursday, Bulldogs. I'll see you around campus.